Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ween's Freedom of 76 on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. This song is primarily in the key of E major, giving it a bright, soulful feel. For the best sound, aim for a clean or slightly overdriven guitar tone, reminiscent of a classic rhythm guitar sound. This will help the chords ring out clearly. Next, let's tackle the core chords. You'll need to master E major 7, F sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, and a major 7. Additionally, practice the C major 7, B 7, D major 7, and C sharp 7 voicings. These chords have a jazzy flavor, so focus on clean finger placement and smooth, fluid transitions between each one. There are about 8 distinct chord shapes to learn. Now, let's combine the chords with a strumming pattern and understand the song's flow. The main chord progression repeats consistently through the verses. While there isn't one strict strumming pattern, a laid-back, soulful feel works best. Aim for a consistent rhythm, around 91 beats per minute, allowing the chords to breathe. This song has a very linear structure, making it easy to follow. To truly master Freedom of 76, focus on slow, accurate practice of your chord changes. Listen closely to the original recording to internalize the rhythmic nuances and vocal phrasing. Don't be afraid to experiment with subtle dynamics, playing some parts softer and others with more emphasis. Consistent practice will help you achieve a smooth, confident performance of this iconic tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.